Fox Island, Washington. 6.4 square miles of secluded neighborhoods, towering Douglas fir trees, and small farms. After 40 years of service, the third submarine cable under Hale Passage has reached the end of its life expectancy, and a question arose: what kind of cable system would best meet the long-term needs of Fox Island for the 21st century? Boring under Puget Sound was the more expensive installation option and entailed a longer installation period. On the plus side, it offered a quicker permitting process with low environmental impact. The cable will have a longer 50-year life expectancy in conduit with reduced cost for future cable replacement.
We're on Fox Island, Kettner's Point, and directly over the alignment for the horizontal directional drilling project. The boring will be approximately 60 feet below the seabed of Hale's Passage, which will extend all the way across Hale's Passage to our exit and termination point on Cromwell Beach.
This is a horizontal directional drilling rig. It is a 380,000 pound machine. It has 36,000 foot-pounds of torque, rotational torque, and 380,000 foot-pounds of push and pulling force. Designed specifically for horizontal directional drilling.
The drill string was pushed on through from Kettner's Point and directionally drilled in a U-shaped fashion beneath Hale's Passage and was directed right up to this point, and they came within about 30 feet of the intended target. Pipe that we're looking at has been, there's 3 segments totaling 3,520 feet. So that gives a little extra length of pipe. The overall length of the project, however, from a circuit standpoint, is right around 4,000 feet.
Well, we're pulling in the cable from here to Fox Island. It's a long pole, 4,000 feet.
What these projects really require is the team effort of the utilities expertise, the consulting firm if they're involved, and finally a team in the field that can successfully install a product like this.
This is a $2.5 million project, the largest single engineering and construction project for the greater Gig Harbor Peninsula by Peninsula Light Company.
This project, as Spence mentioned, was complete on time and under budget. And it could, thank you. It is unique. I'm very impressed. I have been in this business for a long time, and this was a unique project and well done.